In this video, what we're going to be looking at is how to create gallery content for yourself and how to create themes. The first thing we're going to look at is creating gallery content. Even though the gallery is quite large in Smart Notebook, there are some things that it may not have that you want to add, or you might make something that you think expresses things better for your images. Well, what you can do is you can go out and search for images, or you can bring several different gallery images together and create a combined image. I'm going to do something simple for myself, for you and for you all. I am going to go out and I'm going to get some pictures of some apples. I'm going to drag and drop those from off screen. I'm using dual screen, so you can't see the other one right now. And I just went out and did a search for apples and got this. And I'm going to go and grab another picture of an apple. And there's that one. Okay, decrease the size on these. Okay, we've got two apples. We want to make this into an image all on its own. So first thing I want to do is go out and I want to use my set transparency, and I want to get rid of a lot of that white. I want to leave the shadow right here, but I do want to get rid of some of the white. There we go. So that's okay now. And now I'll come over to this other one. We'll do the same thing. Okay. Now we've got two apples. Let's go ahead and combine them and make them into one image. Okay. Now I can come through. Let's group them together. Okay, now this is one image where we've grouped it. So what we'll do is we'll take this and we'll drag it over here under My Content. Now the My Content was already open, but where it's located is at the top of all of your different folders inside your Gallery tab. So now that's in there, all we need to do is click on the drop down, hit rename from temp and call it My Apples, and then all we need to do is come over here on properties. Let's give it some keywords so that when we search, it can show up in our searches. We'll say apples, two apples, red apples. That should make it show up no matter what. I'll click apply and OK. Now if we come back over here and we do a search for it, let's say two apples. Doing its search, it's going to show us results, and there it shows under My Content. So that's simply how you do it. If we just did a search this way, we put apples, shows my folder under content, and if we click on pictures, it shows it right there. So that's an easy way to create content. Okay, now that we've looked at creating objects for the content, let's go ahead and move on to creating themes. Creating themes is really easy and allows you to have a customizable page that you can constantly bring up time after time again. To create a theme, go to Format, Themes, Create New Theme, and it will open up like this. You will see theme name, it says custom, You can go ahead and name it if you have a name that you want to use. I'm going to take and call mine Delete Me, just so I know to remove this from mine. We're going to choose a background color. Let's go with gradiated. I'm kind of attached to those. I like how the colors can settle down. And I'm going to change this to backward diagonal. And we want to go here, and this is how we can see our theme type style, or excuse me, text. Showed my age by calling it type. Come over here, click. It shows all the different fonts that are on your computer that you can use. I'm just going to grab one. I like this one. It's always a neat one. And it will show you what it looks like. You can also go ahead and have it bolded. You can go ahead and set things like paragraph and everything, and your line spacing if you wish to. And once you've got it, that's it. Now whenever we go bring this up, we can simply go to my content, backgrounds, it's already there, and there it is. So whenever we bring this up, insert theme, and whenever we add a new page, you see that theme will carry over with it. Whenever you start your putting any text on there, it takes whatever you've added. And that's all there is to it. Now, you noticed up here under the format themes, create new themes from page. Well, you can add another theme by having a page already set. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to take and hit new page. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this theme out. And I am going to create my own. Coming over here, background fill. We'll just go with that. That's kind of nice, but we'll change how it falls. Then we will take and let's say we're doing one for St. Patrick's Day. See if we have any shamrocks. Okay, get the corner. Here's a quick, easy way to get a bunch of things on at one time. We will take and select several. Right click, copy, and paste. Quick way to get some stuff out there. Okay, that's plenty for this. Let's go ahead and add this. Now, if we come on back to format and we go to theme, create theme from page. This will become the theme. All we want to do is now select what kind of text we want to have. And Okay. Now we've got this set this way. I'll call it St. Patrick and save. Now this will show up in my content with my backgrounds and themes. So that's an easy way to go ahead and create existing themes that you can use for anything. Now that we've finished showing you how to create items for your content, also showing you how to create backgrounds and themes on your own, so you can personalize anything that's out there and create your own. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to answer. Thanks for watching.